Okay, today we are going to review some more glow toys. This one comes with 12 foam sticks and 12 blinky rings. The glow sticks work like the last ones. Haven't used them yet. See, little thing to pull right there. So there's that. 1 setting, 2 setting, 3 setting, and it turns off. Simple button on the bottom, right there you press, and the sticky thing comes out there. The replaceable batteries are under the lid. And the end has a foam thing to protect it. If you hit it around long enough, the foam thing will come out, but it isn't harmful to anybody. So, just make sure all of them work. They do have a warranty on this one that is, you will be satisfied or you will get a new set or your money back. Sorry, kitten's trying to knock down my stand. A little harder when nobody else is here to help me do the video so the cats don't attack everything. You can only pull out the papers once, so we gotta make sure that they don't mess it up. It's alright. Once again, kitty cat. 1 second. Well, I make sure she's gone now. Can't really trap them. And they're just finally old enough to leave their mothers, so hopefully my cat numbers will narrow down soon, because I'm gonna go nuts here. They're great when they were really, really tiny, but now they're just overwhelming, climbing and jumping on everything. And 11, hold on, forgot there's one to the side still that we have not gotten. Just to show you that it comes, I'll show you the package in just a minute, but this is the plastic it comes in. It's brand new. Pull it out of there where it's nicely protected. And then, you guys already saw this part, all of it, because I just kept one in the package to show you what the plastic looked like. Okay, they stand behind their warranty, stand behind their product. If you have any problems at all, you contact them, let them know, and they will either replace it or full refund. Okay, that one rolls away. This is the container they come in. It's a nice mesh type feeling, not really plastic. It's sturdy, stretching maybe a little, but it still holds. It's got a zipper on it. I think this is probably one addition to the set that was wonderful, because all my trash is in there, and when I'm done, I'll just throw the lights back in there for later use. So they're not all over the place. So like I said, zipper, front writing, bottom tag, and the back of the bag. Then we have blinky rings, 12 different ones. We have 3 blue, and yes, 3 blue, 3 pink, 3 green, all right here. Let's eliminate those so you can't see them anymore, so it's easier to see those ones. Oh, I have so much floor space, and I'm trying to deal with creatures of the night. Just a clip, simple. You see it in my hand, make sure you got your hand in the middle, just squeeze it together, and it turns on. Most people know how to, but just in case. And these do not have replaceable batteries, but as long as you turn them off, they will have more life to use at a later time. I know that my nieces, my friends' kids, all of them have been enjoying taking what I've given them to parties and whatnot for 4th of July. So I've been giving them stuff like this because they have been helping me with the videos outside. So turn right back off. Right back off. And as you'll see in my video, the boys even use the rings, counting as a life in a sword fight with the foam sticks. So you had 3 lives to start out with, and as you got hit with a sword, you would lose a life and just shut off a ring. So very multi-use. And as you can also see from the video, because I'm not sure I'm going to split it to show you both sides, there's also a video, there was also an adult actually being attacked by all the kids playing the sword fight, which was quite interesting to watch personally, because I'm always in charge of the camera. And so basically we have kids playing, adults playing, everyone plays with them. My niece, my little niece, loved them. But, like I said, perfect little bag. Holds trash, so you don't have a mess all over the place. And even with my trash in it, I can still put my foam sticks back in there, my rings back in there. Can you see that? Oh, the rings back in there. So really saves you from a lot of mess, which tends to happen with a lot of parties, things like this. They have to open and all that stuff, and they end up everywhere because nobody has a real place to put them. So put them in here, that eliminates the problem because it won't end up all over the place. So that's the review on the actual item. Sorry, I can't remember if any cat actually got in the video. I didn't see one, but I have a feeling one was over near the bag at one point. Like I said, if the top part does come out, it does happen sometimes, but it's really hard to get it to happen. Oh! Where was I? Okay. It's really hard to get it to actually come out, but sometimes, rarely it does. If they've been hitting each other enough times, it starts to slide. I just pick it up, put it back in. Just see the lights on the inside. Not really a big deal. It shows the kids what's inside because they always wonder how it's glowing. And these all work great, as you can see. And I would say they're wonderful. I hope that you enjoyed this video. There will be a part where the people are playing outside still after this. But other than that, thank you everybody. And I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful day. Because I enjoy playing with glow sticks. My cat's actually scared of them once they're lit up, so, or curious. Depends on which cat. Alright, thank you everybody. Have a nice day. How are you doing, Kyra? Great! Here we go. Here we go. The attack of the siblings. Attack. Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. Here we go. They're getting bright now. And then we have Kyra with the knuckle rings. Okay. Get her.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you having fun, Elena?
Attack the camera.
No, don't have to take the camera.
Attack mommy.
You're not into my property.
There, dog.
Hey, Elena.
What?
You like the lights?
You're coming in a few minutes.
I can look.
Brett.
See, I can get her face.
Starfish. I'm a starfish. I'm a starfish. I'm a starfish. I'm a starfish. Send it to my daddy.
I will a little later, honey.
I am a butterfly. Guys! I am a butterfly. How?
I'm gonna kick you.
You know, if you keep on hitting me, I'm going to stop. Can you tell?
You have them in your hand. Hit people with them. Have at it. Brett, move. Thank you.
There they go.
Look, it looks more active than the last four.
There they go.
Go to my sandals.
They're in the dark.
Oh wait, mine's off.
Oh, wait, there's a. They got blinky rings and they got kids. There's lots more kids today.
Get him!
Savannah didn't ever go back, did she? Oh, she's pouting? All right.
Who's pouting?
Savannah. Oh, look, they're sword fighting behind you.
He holds them.
Yep, I'm figuring 3 minutes would be good. My instruction explanation one is about 5. So, add on 3 minutes of fighting afterwards. They just go. They're just like all right there. Look, they're all right in the middle together. Come on.
Paul's over here.
Liam! Candace!
Paul's
I
over here.
know.
Like, I don't know which kid it is.
Don't be so loud.
That's not right.
You little.
They're all just playing in the middle.
Bumpy. his hands out on. Ah!
Because after this, anytime anybody would play with these ones, I'll just do I'll just add a 3-minute clip every few days, every like a week, to show off them off again.
Well, a tooth fairy.
You actually fucked
We're at 250. Oh, that is. I was about to pick up and say, "Oh crap," but that was Lena. Because I got her face a bunch of times in there. But everyone else, I'm like, no.
I am a butterfly.
I'm a butterfly. I am a butterfly. And there's one over there all on his own, just spinning around.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh God! Ah. Oh! So again, my Chinese friends are messing with me.
He keeps on rocking hard.
Who?
Oh, and he keeps on hitting people with his hand and hit me in the nose. That's why I did not. They fall off. That one's gone. Come on, why?
Paul, make sure you're hitting them with the thing, not your hand.
Hey, my dad wants to play.
No. Hey.
I don't want to play.
Sorry.
Easy.